Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick hand expression, and I'm talking about a thumbs up, something like that. So to begin, we will go one, we'll just put in an oval right there. So we're doing a thumb after all, curved, outstretched, or however we want to put it. So then 1, 2, 3, and then let's put in another oval right here, and 4 and 5. So if you have that shape going, oval, oval, that rounder here, straighter, and then just curving outward, and this, I think we are off to the races. So we will begin with first putting down the hand over here. So let's go one finger at a time. So if we are doing this, for instance, we can show it like this or like this. So we're going to go and do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the fingers, really just curving inward into the flush of the hand there. So what we're going to do is going to, over that, put in some anatomy. So basically 1, then just go from there, joining the middle finger with this one, 2, and 3, and 4. Now there's the flesh of the hand there, there's the bulk of the hand, and this will of course stretch into our thumb, which is the focus of our exercise today. And we just go like that, and it is important to understand that every hand is different, and hence every thumb has its own length and thickness, or could be more streamlined than another thumb. But if you're modeling your own thumb, that's a fun exercise too in this case. But so just some usual hand lines there, some vein structure there on the wrist and flesh of the hand, and there we have the sketch complete. That is the sketch of thumbs up expression. But then if you need to just add in some details, I think we should go about putting in some details right there. You'll just put in some skin folds and elaborate more lines. You could even go into the more minor details if you wish. The nail is not necessarily showing in this position, or nails for that matter. So we'll just round this off this way, and then to just add some more dimension to this, we will just add some tones, some cross hatch. So going under the fingers if the light source is coming directly from above. And again, this is a sketch. It is not necessarily a piece of fine art. If if you're doing that, then you should take your time and really bring out the details. It'll look awesome. I'm just going and blending the tones in to create some shadows right there. Some cross hatch into the vein right there. Some more cross hatch right under the bulge right here. Then some lines, of course, will be more accentuated, more put into the highlights than others. But this is the general idea. If I were to just do a little bit of quick smudging, you see that it will bring out a little more, just a little more life in the entire expression that we've tried to put down. And there are some tones working for me. So please do Google images and check out this expression. I hope you have fun drawing, even the thumb expression from different angles. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.